my money, the money I left inside my pocket? What kind of nonsense question is that? Are you asking me? What kind of nonsense question is that? Who took the money I left in my pocket as if we were there when you put the money there? Come, let me just tell you. If you don't have anything to say, respect yourself. You hear me so? You the crazy. Shut up your mouth and get away from here. You the crazy. You the mad. Oh, now you tell me. Get out. Now this is the way they tell me. What's the problem? Look at how you talk to a whole rank officer like yours. They took your money. If you continue with this sentence again, we go remove your name from our friendship. Okay. Now this what be the answer one I go give me for stealing my money. You are threatening me again. You are threatening my life. Stop this. But let me just tell you the truth. If I find out the person will take that money, if you don't pay interest, you know something about get out. Shut up. Enough of that nonsense. Yeah. I mean, this is a joke. It's a joke. So you mean this thing? You mean now? Thunder just fire that amount. You the mad. Thunder fire that amount. You the mad. You the crazy. I the joke for my own money. You take my money now. You tell me say I the joke. In fact, let me just tell you the truth. I don't need to do. I go take your name, your picture, go submit to native doctor. And anything when native doctor just say now you go give you, now you go take. If not big belly or big blockers, you go take them. How you know be? You don't know all you get where. But by the way, how much be the money where you make noise? How much be the money where you make noise? 500 naira, not be big money. 500 naira, and that one will be the last card I get for my life. 500 naira. You don't know? 500 naira. Now you can't mention native doctor. Yeah. Not to follow this person joke. 500 naira. It come like say with your quarter. And I mean borrow. I just borrow and say look I use them after I go give you. You never reach a native doctor now, Abi, my brother. You borrow money without information. You borrow money without collateral. You borrow money without interest. You borrow money without security. And I still here they talk. Wow, they threaten my life upon it. Wait, I don't decide what I want to do. Like as I tell you now, if I don't do, I may God just call me Apama. I go take you go native doctor. Submit your picture, submit your name. Whatever the native doctor decide to do you, either go give you big belly, or he go give you stroke, or he go give you amunku, or he make you stroke, or madness. Anything when he just give you, make you just take up. No, just try him at all. Even though saying the truth, say juju they run for your family. But waiting be ordinary 500 naira. We go just carry my name, go give the doctor. Make them turn me to animal. Who knows? They fit turn me to goat or dog. Back on they do whoa. No, just try my talk. Oh, boy, I tell you, I don't get your time. I don't tell you. Not marry borrow. Simple borrow. See, come here to tell you. You know what I want to do you? I want to give you just madness. Hey! Choose madness. I will give you madness of 500 naira. Don't take him like that. I beg. Remove that one, I beg. Remove that one. When we start work, you go pay you. No, when we start work, you go pay you. No, tell me that one. No, wait. When we start work, we go pay you. Obama no day well. Now you can't carry the whole sickness. You can't give him again. I will make him die. Your father. Who know day well? You day well. I don't tell you. See, I don't tell you. Papa, leave me. Oh, not ordinary borrow. Hey, let me we again. You don't borrow money. You didn't tell me that you're borrowing the money. I just say let I go tell you. But before I won't tell you, you don't first. No, you still threatening my life too. No, there's no problem about that. I've already decided on what to do you. Forget that. Don't take madness. Forget that. Madness will fit you. Forget. Madness of 500 naira. It's a simple thing. Then after, you will tell me. Remove that madness. What with the mad? Don't worry. Don't punish you. Put him inside nowhere. Me nowhere. So me nowhere. Obama nowhere. I nowhere. You say you slap me. Please, I know where. I go blank you. Rank officer like you. You say you go slap me. You say if you slap me, now you say I go take your name. I take your name to the office. Oh my, we are close to boss. I want to take care of you, take you to a level that you're supposed to be. Yes, that is what. That is what I want in now. Supposed to be. You taking care of me. Hey, and leaving me high. That is what I like now. That is what I like. That is why I talk about you. I know you are a I like poison that understand that got a you got to go poison like you. If I hold them, I know how to handle them. Kind of things I like him very, very well. Hey! I tell you, what are you doing here?
You told me in the house that you're going to look for job. You come here to look for work and I'm putting about your now.
Are you disgracing me in this town now?
Yes, I am disgracing you because you are my wife. That's what I have said. So this is what you are doing. People have corrected my wife and started eating the fruit
This man here, jobbing me, walk. Oh.
Thank you. He's jobbing you. I can see that. See, he's jobbing you or he's jobbing you. I don't know which one. I am telling the real truth. This man is a criminal. I can see it very clearly. Look, let's go. You're my wife.
Leaving me everywhere now. Why are you always disgracing me down and up, everywhere in this village?
No, I'm just interviewing her. I want to give her a job.
Thank you. You are interviewing her. Interview her with the west or which side? Look, I am telling the real truth. Leave this man. Come, let's go to the house because I can see criminality in his eyes.
Wait, man. Me, I'm not liking what you are doing. No. Stop disgracing me in the public now. I don't like it. Okay, I don't like it.
Let us go inside and finish the interview. Don't mind.
Yes. Let me take my interview. I'm finished my interview.
Come back here. Don't give her that thing. It's for me. I told you, don't give her that thing. Because if you dare give her that thing, right, I will marry another wife. You see it. Hey. Wait. Oh, you enter the house. I will stay there till when you come back.
You see, you are so beautiful. Yes. See, when I was in Afghanistan, people there say, marry there. And I say, no. Say, I must come to this town and marry somebody. And immediately I set my eyes on you. Every part of my body began to sing hallelujah. You see, you are so beautiful. Look at the way you are shining like a little bulb.
Who am I?
If I marry you.
Is this not Operacha? What are you doing with this media? I am telling you. Look, I just come to your house to help you with your sister. You are making noise. Now, is she not somebody's sister? Don't cause trouble. Look, I am telling you the real fact. This is a media. Don't tell me anything. Look, I must say the truth. This is Amurako speaking. He smokes ganja. Look, he saw somebody's keke and used the money to pursue women.
Don't mind him.
He's not a good person. He don't benefit you. I am still saying something. You are holding yourself together. Separate it. Separate yourself. What are you saying? Look, for you to be sure because I can...
Onobo, I will kill you. I've warned you separately. Leave me alone.
Somebody should come and hold.
Don't mind this idiot.
Take my Coca-Cola.
Idiot.
Look, I know your waist has been scratching you. Not for this, so. You see your waist?
Idiot.
Look, I am telling you the truth. Come back. Oh, let me be going. Let me be going because I know what to do. My wife has annoyed me already. I will be very much annoyed. Wait. I cannot give back. Yeah, Operator, come back. This beautiful, I must stop you for because my mind cannot be at rest. This, Operator, don't spoil this lady. This is a medium and it's a status quo. Don't enter that house, you'll be pregnant. I tell you, that boy will give you 3 plates. Wait. Come back. Let me be going. I will enter that room.
Okay.
Hey.
Aha. Wonder if I never end. Landlord, where are you coming from?
I come to collect my rent. You know, the rent don't they do. I say, I can't collect them. The time I come, your wife tell me, say, one of your bulb no they good.
Thank you.
I say, make I go repair them for her.
I can see. If you come to collect your house rent,
Yeah.
I think you have paid him.
Hey, Papa, I pay landlord 6 months.
Thank you.
For 3?
Me pay you 6 months.
You go there and correct. You have already corrected your house rent because I know my wife very well.
You don't say you pay?
I pay you rent now. I pay you 6 months rent.
How many months did you pay?
I don't pay landlord 6 months housing rent.
He said on the bedroom. You entered my bedroom and did. Oh, you didn't even pay for
now
the
for
bed.
your kitchen, I go repair bulb.
Hey!
You did inside the kitchen.
Oh, God.
They lie.
So you paid for bed.
Which pay?
The bed you use in the
Landlord, you do one. You say you know do you.
What?
You do 2. You know doing you well.
Thank you.
You do 3. You say you don't enter you well. You do 4, 5, 6. Hey, Oga
Look,
you dey right. You dey right.
Not in your kitchen.
You are
I go help you for the bob.
Your pants in there inside my room. Pants man, I go bring. I carry him pants now. No,
thank you. And he went inside my bedroom and cried for 6 months.
Oh no.
And you did not pay for my bed. That means you are giving me receipt for 1 year. Where is my receipt?
Ona go pay me when I come back.
Look, kitchen. Me pay you rent or pay my collect receipt from landlord.
Which receipt?
Give me my receipt.
Which receipt?
She paid it for 6 months.
Throw for the thief.
Which thief?
Ona the thief. Na so na thief what they do?
Which money?
Papa,
you have already paid you.
You collected receipt from landlord.
We have already paid you. Where are you going?
If you want another one, you come. Not be talking.
Don't come again. This is my wife. You told me that I am not strong. I go and bring up Guapara. Yeah, asking landlord to come again. Don't come again. If you come here, I will kill you. You are not going anywhere.
If you don't give me my husband receipt, I go carry your pants to come show your wife for house.
Pants.
I go carry your pants to come show your wife.
That the one that they talk, me I know they hear them. I go come back.
No need of
Carry your pants to come show your.
no need of showing the wife. Look, I am telling you, I will use the wife and charge you for raping. You come here and rape my wife. That is 25 years in prison.
Mpage, man. No talking like that, oh. No calling police, oh. No calling police, oh. After all, landlord no laping me, oh. It's me laping landlord for land.
You rape landlord.
It's me laping landlord.
I hope that is big old worker has not. We will enjoy you.
Can you pay him house rent? Can you pay him house rent?
I can pay house rent.
If you know you can't pay house rent. I'm laping landlord for you to pay you house rent.
Look, let's go inside first. Let me check this thing whether the hole is too much. Wait. I hope you have spread out first that I will not perceive the other. Let's go inside.
Hey, stop there. Stop there. Stop. They come and they come. We discuss. Like 8-mate level. No. Like say, are we mates? Do you know who we is? I mean, who we are?
Who we are.
Who we are? Do you know?
You know who we are?
Yes, we are officers.
Officers of.
We are different officers.
Yes.
We are sea officers.
Now, have you heard the news? You never hear news. I see the news, Sakara. They work out for road. I never hear the news.
Explain to them.
Now, listen. There will be no movement because we are placing a curfew around this area. You know why? Because we are walking on that river that flows to the sea.
Yes.
Yeah, we call it expansion. Dredging.
Of River Mori.
Of the drainage. Exactly. Because you might be walking, the river will overflow and consume every human being when you see. So the curfew, you enter your house, no coming out. Lock yourself inside the house, no TV, no radio. As a matter of fact, that because of God, now we say we have to manage it. Otherwise, no food. Make everyone just stay inside house and no noise, no talking. Because the curfew goes there very deadly. So when we expand the water, make it for the reach everybody.
Now you hear what
tell your friends, tell your brothers and sisters, your mamas and your papas, and even your
enemies.
Your enemies, your brothers and sisters and everybody. You hear me now? And failure to comply. If you come out, if you come out,
you don't need to tell them. Since I think when I say we are Sabios, so we'll be sea officers. We are coming from the presidency.
Correct.
And any law that is from the presidency is like a dragnet.
Yes.
And since you say you know us, we are not like the police, so we are not like the army. We are sea officers. We live in the water. And when we give order, and you don't carry out the order, we will bite you. You see the way crocodile they swallow fish inside water? That's how we're going to swallow you and drag you to death.
And make I tell you, police people your friend though. We don't know anybody though. Nobody they our friend though. Police not our friend, but we.
We don't get friend, our friend now.
They show people pepper.
Animals.
Let me tell this thing now. So tell your friends, tell everybody, yeah? We need to do friend.
Our friends are inside the water.
That's what I'm
saying. Mohammed waiting for water than our friends.
So you leave me now.
Tell our chief knows about this.
Your chief?
I go beat you.
Yes.
If your chief no hear no, your question good. If your chief never hear maybe
everybody wait
there. How you go here? When chief know the fix no one place, tune in radio, watch, or tune in television, listen. He know the feed by paper even to read. You when they talk, say, I don't say you no go hear before because you don't listen to television, you don't watch TV. So the thing we say, tell everybody we were very deadly. Do you hear me now? Any violation of this law? Hey, forget.
About the
Officers. But
Shut up!
I haven't heard about this thing.
Will you just shut up? Who is this one? Who be this on your? Give him this your cap to wear.
It's my junior brother.
Give him this cap to wear.
It's my junior brother.
Give him that cap make you wear. Give him that cap make you wear. No, not tell me something. What did you come with the top?
Calm down, officer. Officer of the law. Look at my face.
Let's go and pass the information.
Hey, you, come here. Hey, come. Are you right? Hey, in the right. Hey, come back. Hey, come back. Hey, come back. Come here. Are you?
How much we don't make today? Let me share them.
So what?
Shit. Share them.
Think about shit.
No, I know they go anywhere. How you go carry plenty money? Can't give me 50 naira. Nah, that.
No be with the sing.
I know they go anywhere.
You no be to wear this thing.
We work together now. No way.
They come out wear this thing where smoke they come out. No be with
Yeah, wait. Follow you. Nah, that.
Move they go. Come on.
I know they go anywhere.
Where the thing? No, come on. Time no day.
I know they go anywhere. Ah,
If you see the people with the biggest money, you go see them. You go see them.
I know they go anywhere.
Who are they? And who are they making that noise in front of me?
I know they go anywhere.
Where are the masquerade people? What is the problem?
We go masquerade business finish. Now they can't carry this 50 naira. Give me carry plenty money. Ah, I know they go anywhere.
They gave me 15 naira.
Collect plenty money.
Who is the masquerade itself?
Now me the masquerade.
You are the one.
Uh-huh.
How much they gave you?
50 naira.
They gave you 15 naira. Let me see it. You people gave me money 15 naira. And you are holding 500 naira
You know concern.
in your hands.
You know concern. Now with the sing.
Bring the money, let's share together.
For what?
Bring the whole money, let me share the money. I have everything with it share.
Chairman, you know concern. Come move the get out.
Okay, you don't concern me.
But yeah, where this thing move go?
Wait, you are the masquerade, you're not supposed to hold money. Wait. Oh, you collected back your money? Okay, I am taking the masquerade head.
No trial.
It's better, it's better.
This is my own share of the money.
It's better.
Because
Collect waiting. I know they
this
go
is for
anywhere.
machine ground, though. I am going.
It's better. Make
Let me go.
No. Give me this one. Give me this one. No one spirit to
Which spirit? This is human being. He is unisex.
Cover this now. No go find one.
He said you should wear, and you are wearing again. You are wearing it again. In short, I am naming you unisex masquerade because you are a unisex. So you are going again with them. Yeah, I am sorry for you. You people don't know how to dance it.
That's what.
Don't you hear of coffee? Obama, Odoja, and Osama, these great people, the captains, they are the captains operating the ship. They are giving the coffee. Don't enter their trap, because there was present on human form. You are not dancing well. See your masquerade. He's not dancing well. I know how to dance very well. Look at me. Here. Here you go. When I started dancing, it's from the old, from the forefathers are dancing. When I dance, I climb hills and trees. No say palm tree. I use my leg, I scatter the whole palm trees. You people don't know how to play the music. I play it. Hey, obode bido kananka. Hey, obode bido kananka. Come on, you go kusi again. All you go kusi. The workers stop work. I am going. You people don't know how to play it because the time I used to play my own, I climbed hills.
Hey! Why are you whistling? And you're whistling. Now, from where you come from, they don't train you well. Say if you see three big men like us, make you greet.
For waiting.
Oh, you know if you greet? Me, greet waiting.
Waiting. Be like say this boy dey stubborn.
I am telling you.
See, as I just see you now, my heart cut.
Cut into how many?
I think say I see 3 ghosts when they come out for Berega.
3 what? Hey. Officers, did you hear what this idiot? This is a singular cooler. Do you know you're a singular cooler? You see 3 human beings like this. You say we'll be ghosts. Yeah, you snuff. Now listen.
When we made the law, when we made the law, where you did? When we put the curfew, say make nobody make any movement till dawn, where you did? Now you have the guts to the bigger chest.
That nobody should perambulate.
Yes.
That nobody should rigmarole. That nobody should be walking through and fro everywhere.
Yes.
And you think you are stubborn enough
We
to
gave
violate
you
that
warning,
issue?
and we warned you. Make una stay inside the houses, locked up. No movement, not even play radio or television. We even said it, you shouldn't even eat.
Exactly.
Now you have the guts. Let somebody tell them in charges.
Wait, for perambulating, rigmaroling, and all these charges we've just laid on you, 24 count charges is on your head.
And the 25,000 naira.
Thank you.
On each of them 25,000 naira.
25,000 naira each.
Yeah. 25,000 naira.
Yes.
You see person wey never chop since, when they hungry, when they find where they do burial, make it go chop. Now they tell and say 25,000 charges.
Huh? Where did they do it?
You get where they do burial there now?
For what? You dey crazy? What did talk?
It's a
burial.
Burial. What do? Nah, big man died.
Na big man.
They say the man get money. Since morning I never chop.
For we are shut up.
Guy. Food, plenty there.
For you the for there.
Are you there? That does not mean we cannot punish you. We know Ayudele.
We know that.
I mean, we don't know Ayudele.
We know Ayudele.
We have arrested somebody there before.
People don't come now. But that does not mean you go free. That's not information anyway.
Come on, no, he will pay 25,000 naira. No, forget this 25. Forget this man.
He don't talk to
We don't talk to you. You want to bury her. You don't say that bury her cry.
For violating the rule,
Go down.
Wait.
Hey!
Say go down.
Go down. Come on, hold your ear. Are you stubborn? Are you stubborn? Jump to the upper ground. Come on, jump.
Wait.
go like that.
Anywhere way like go.
Go like that.
We go follow you.
Hello, okay. I'm come immediately. Immediately. I'm on the load. No. On the load, yes.
He's speaking
yes,
in
I'm
my
come.
house.
I'm come.
Okay, there, Acherugo. What are you holding? Phone. Who bought this thing for you? Phone.
A managing calling me on this thing now.
The managing gave you.
Yes.
Look, don't you know that today is coffee?
Today, coffee. Me not coffee now.
That man cannot walk in your waist today. I am the one. Today is for me and you walking with your waist. I will twist it.
I'm going walking.
You are not going walking.
Let's marry me.
I say you are not going walking.
Marry me. Leave me.
You don't go.
You don't go.
Yeah, I say you are not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere.
Did you not hear the government curfew announcement?
Announcement?
No,
in this town?
Jonathan.
No, no,
Federal government no tell una say this week now for Ekpo festival for this town.
Oh,
big mouth.
Ekpo festival day.
Are you mad? You think you are above the law? Or do you think that this masquerade is more than the federal government that said there's going to be coffee? In fact, as the trophy is standing there, you are under arrest.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Chairman, officer. You say you want arrest Egbo?
Yes.
Una no get sense say Egbo no be human being, a spirit.
Hey! Ebo is not a human being.
Yes.
He's a spirit.
Yes.
Thank you.
In that case, you are going to effect what is called spiritual arrest.
Thank you.
We put him in our custody. The rest of you can go. I say you can go.
I should just go like that.
Like this.
You won't go like this.
Sir, officers. Wait till I go tell you, Mama, Egbo mother.
Come on, will you go and tell the mother that
Ebo
is...
mother.
Go and tell the Egbo mother that the Egbo is under arrest.
What about his father?
The papa dey sick.
Hey, yeah.
Tell both of them that the Egbo is under arrest. Won't you go? No, we are leaving you. We leave you not because you don't commit anything. But we are leaving you to go and look for money to come and bail your masquerade.
Correct.
Otherwise, we will fold him, put him inside the river.
Yes, officer.
Now we say we don't throw the masquerade.
Do what?
Do what?
Carry Egbo. Put him for
Inside the river.
river.
Okay, we don't do him already.
Now one kill him.
Now you ask, that's your question.
Okay, I think the spirit know they die. Hey, my friend, shut up your mouth. I think the spirit know they die. By the time we don't finish with this spirit, and you now, the best way to do that, don't run now. Don't run, go and beg money now to beg this, beg this fucking Egbo when no fit to dance. Are you mad?
Muna wait. Ma go tell you, Mama, Egbo mother.
Go and beg. Go, you go. You dey crazy?
We never make money.
No way. Are you stupid?
See the voice. Oh, so you spirit, you dey talk to human being. Do you know what you have just committed? You have committed what they call talking to human being, and that is talking spirit, which is under section 8 verse 8. You are under arrest again. 3 arrests. What's the when? Why you say when?
So, when I don't say no offense, now they commit.
Offense of what?
Village offense now.
Huh? Okay. We are committing. Oh, now look at it this way. Just look at it this way. Masquerade, aka Egbo, will you look at me when I'm talking to you? We are committing traditional offense?
Yes.
You are in trouble. You're in very big trouble.
My friend, can you just go
under which law is that offense? Is it EFCC or Oputa panel? Now you enter. Now, lay down.
Go down.
I said go down.
Go down. I said like that. You are looking at
down.
Look at you, Egbo.
Bend down.
Come on.
Bend down.
Go down.
Bend down. You're mad. You're crazy.
Obey before complain.
You dey talk with a woman or a man? You dey young. Leave her, leave her. Come, tell us the truth. What kind of a human being are you? Listen, are you a male masquerade or a female masquerade?
Now unisex.
Okay, in that case, when we put you into the cell,
yes,
we separate you. The uni will go to one corner, and then the sex will go to the other.
Exactly.
Now, down for us. Come on, down. Cover your face, well.
Idiot.
Cover him as he takes come. Stand up.
Carry him, take him to cell.
Good boy. No. Stand up. Stand up. Wait.
That's how you are getting well.
Now. Squat down like this.
Squat down.
Squat down like this. Squat well. Put your hand for your ear. Good boy.
Hold your ear.
Well. Now the next exercise is jump like
wow. Yes.
Let's go.
Jump like the frog. 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 The drink I drink still
trouble my stomach. I just go and drop the rotten inside toilet. Hey, who locked my door and put stick in my door? Who locked this thing? Hey, landlord! Landlord, I know you're the one that come and lock my door. You see, they have started looking for my trouble. Landlord! Landlord, if you come and open this door because I will tell the word. Hey, I know you people are started being jealous because you see me drinking every day. I am very close to God, if people don't know. I drink, I go to bed and I sleep, I commit no sin. You people have been committing sins. I must wait here today and know who come and lock my door.
We are here to collect our NEPA bill.
He said you come to do what?
Collect NEPA
bill now.
Oh. Let me stand up. You are mad. Both of you, I can say you two are mad. Both of you are mad.
You're mad.
Are you a NEPA staff? Look, let me tell you. You don't know, that's why I tell people to be more sharp. I go to school. There's nothing like NEPA again. They have sold NEPA. They call it Power Holding Company of Nigeria. For you to know that my brain is still hard. When I drink, I make what you call
I'm your fellow tenant, so I've paid my own.
Come, Onobo, you get 6 points. As you share them, your own are 300.
600.
You must.
Points.
That's why I am saying
you must pay the money.
You are touching me. I know what you come for.
See,
you come to collect money to go and buy your girlfriend pants. And the upper peranus, Brazil for upper peranus. That's what you come for. It is I don't know. I know it very well.
Oh no, but come. Are you trying to insult me?
You have already insulted yourself because see you very well. I know. You're touching me.
Give me your NEPA bill. I said give me your NEPA bill.
People should come and hold me here.
Give me your NEPA bill. Give me your NEPA bill.
People should come and hold me. I will kill somebody here. I am telling you the real truth.
Every time you always
okay. Let's fight. See my I will give me Popora.
Okay. Give me your NEPA bill.
Wait.
What are you trying to do?
Wait. I will kill somebody. I told you, you people, you started running. I know you people don't have vision. I have vision. I am well mannered. I go to school, I did what they call peroxidum hydroxide. I consecrated it on my brain. Look, I am a professional. When I play football, ball and goalkeeper goes high goal. That's why you see me, I am very much happy. Landlord, you should be able to come and open this thing. Because, in fact, I will do what they call centrosema decimasis. I will take it. I will do again what they call photosynthetic Cronenberg aircraft. Everywhere it is today will be very loud. Because this door, I will break it. You people are seeing. Wait. This thing has started again. It has started again. Landlord, your toilet will be full today. I just message for you because you locked my door. I will finish the whole toilet. I will fill it. You think wait. But I know good. Bring more drink so that this thing will round up very well. I will go.
You know that you feel like leaf. You don't feel like who leave. Just take by yourself, by yourself. Just do frog jump. You know that you be pepper kite.
I don't understand it.
Shut up.
They count and what? They count.
They count.
Count. Count here.
I don't tire.
I said count.
You go be two.
Count. No be only one.
Now we tell you don't shit for side of road.
Shut
up!
You been there see the shit. They move front.
They shit for side of
They go
road.
front.
They go front. They go back.
They go back. Stand there. Turn around. No see Anya. No see Anya. Come on, talk. Don't fall again. If you fall like ball. I kick you like ball.
Hey! I thought I'm saying this guy will be like electric pole.
I'm no more officer. It's not alive. Somebody there alive. I don't make you go.
We'll be like a tenene. I don't resign.
Yeah, that's a I don't resign.
Fool! Idiot! From job, eh? I don't catch you now. Idiot!
Now we the room.
We are the reigning boys. Check out, baby. Check out. Babies. How are you, babies?
Excuse me. Make una no vex you. We want to tell you something.
Yes. What is this? Can we help you guys?
Well, make una no vex. Are you people strangers here?
We are not strangers. And if I may ask, how can we help you?
Oh, no, be strangers. This God is wonderful. Jesus Christ. God knows what they do. You know, supposed to know because I be God. I know everything. Now you say this our meeting here, no be by accident. Because God already planned and say we go jam. I mean, check them now. On a day 3. We did 3.
Exactly.
Say go take on 1.
You know what you're saying is true. That to say that we want to mingle with you, then tangle with you, then we'll fumble together.
Correct.
Listen, make una no mind this my useless friends. They don't know how to use their mouth. See, the truth to be said, we like you now.
Gentlemen, you people have not said anything yet. Say what you want to say. So stop wasting our time.
Why are you people beating around the bush? Tell us what you people want from us, please.
Okay, but we talk. We think say are supposed to understand now because no be poem with the recital since. But anyhow, the truth of the matter be say we like her and we love her and we want to marry her.
Impossible.
Impossible.
Yeah. Did you say impossible? But you have not even cooled down to check exactly what you want to tell you.
That's one campaign now. Only one I didn't have one about.
No, not your size.
That's not my size.
It fits you well. What did you say? No, be your size.
But that tall one be my size.
Hey! Put your down where we are white.
That
come on there.
You won't go hang yourself for
thing. If they say, okay, if you marry and now two of them become friends, maybe somebody say, you may kiss your bread. How you go take kiss them?
I can't carry wine or joke. I jump on top of wine or joke.
Now, like, they go carry ladder, put for her chest, you go climb. Do I know you go climb with a ladder?
Yes. You don't think when they speak to you say, you beat around the bush as if we would cut grass. But me, I believe say, now you cause him.
Now him.
How do you cause him?
Now you your face. Thing will tell you.
My face.
This is not the first time.
My face is no good.
Anytime we are going out again, you will not follow us. Or you mask yourself, or you cover yourself. True. Because you don't know how to make guys.
Anytime when we go hunting, now still
you don't know how to make guys
come out.
No, make I learn them now.
Shake your body, do something.
Talk. No, put your hand in your
hand. You can even go. No, don't you shake your head. Now this is not the spot.
No squeeze your face.
Don't squeeze your face.
No squeeze your face.
It's normal. Yeah, man.
Yeah, well, you see, many girls will see you as they do this now. You fall. You will fall in love
for real.
Baby.
Yeah. Make they put them in practice.
Baby. We have to continue to search for job. Since we don't lose that our tea service opportunity, we want to continue looking for job until we get one.
Well, I saw one vacancy notice for the post of nurses.
You mean
maternity? Yes, today. I see her.
But we are not nurses now. How will we go and look for job in maternity?
No. We have to go there. We have to go to that maternity because there's no harm in trial.
Come, make we know they lose any opportunity. Make we know they lose any opportunity where we get now. Because me as you see me, so I don't tire.
How do we do it?
I think I suggest we apply now. That's the best way. Let us apply.
We have to apply. Because they say we apply in person. They rather for that meeting. Apply in person. So we go carry ourselves by ourselves and apply to themselves. Simple.
I still want to know how we will apply as a nurses in the maternity.
See, we can do this thing. You learn something by doing it.
But we are not nurses now.
See, we have to go and buy the nurse attire.
And then
buy.
Yes.
Buy or hire. You don't forget, say we don't get money.
But make I just tell you the truth. If we get this job, we are going to enjoy well.
Oh, true now. You go get enough tea to shack. Drink tea enough. You know why? Now we go to give all those pregnant women tea. The one who we give them, they go take the rest. Oh, no, sir. This is whenever I go inside like this, you come poof like a farmer own.
See, our belly don't go down. Don't go down. She's where we stop this tea when we drink. Belly don't go down. See, when we drink.
Let me go try it.
Belly don't go down. Let me not come up with the door.
We came to see the doctor.
Hold on, I'm fine.
Good day, doctor.
Please make yourselves comfortable. It's upstairs already.
Well, doctor, we came in respect of the notice at the board outside your gate. Yes.
How many years experience do you people have?
No, doctor. Actually, we don't pay for this nursing business. We don't pay well.
Yes.
Are you registered?
Well, to cut it short, we are senior registered nurses.
I see.
Madam, please employ us. We will make this your maternity fine more than Julie.
Did you say Julie?
Yes, Dr. Julie.
Do you know her?
Very well.
Julie of yesterday. Madam, actually, now we make a maternity what they do today.
Tell me
We
something.
make people there. The troop, they go there.
Tell me something.
Something.
Doctor, we have experience in nursing. We don't pay when we start nursing business.
Yes.
With the nurse, except three. Goat, fowl,
yes,
pig, even mama. We have experience on that.
Are you saying you are veterinarians?
No, actually, madam, she is an animal doctor.
What is she? You don't want. Who be animal?
You be animal doctor.
Okay. And you said you are registered?
Yes. Senior registered.
Oh. Which school of nurse did you people attend?
Oh, doctor, which of the school do you know?
Oh, I know a lot of them.
Well, actually, doctor, we attended the School of Health for Man and Animals.
Did you say for man and animal?
Yes.
Where is that one located?
At
Umukuru. Yes.
Very close to Niger State.
But you know, we reach Niger very well. As just they move straight to Niger, they just negotiate left. They move straight.
You're confusing me.
No. When you reach there, ask anybody, they will tell you.
It's a popular process.
They know. Nobody will know.
Okay. You're welcome.
Right.
You are employed.
Huh?
I give employment.
Thank you.
We are very good.
You're very beautiful. Thank you very much. So when will we start?
Let me check. Next tomorrow?
Hey.
Next tomorrow.
Next tomorrow.
Anyway, no problem. But doctor, we promise you that by the time we start up our work here, we're going to change everything in your hospital. Especially the pregnant women will be given them free tea, exercise like racing, novelty football matches, even other activities.
In that case, start tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Start work tomorrow.
Let's go.
Obama gave mad, no Selisa. Apama go keep people, no Selisa. This one na faking us, no Selisa. Oh no, gave mad, no Selisa. This one na imitation us, no Selisa. This one na faking us, no Selisa. Obama gave mad, no Selisa. Apama go keep us, no Selisa. This one na imitation us, no Selisa. This one na faking us, no Selisa. Oh no, go keep us, no Selisa. Obama go keep people, no Selisa. This one imitation us, no Selisa. This one na faking us, no Selisa. Obama go keep person, no Selisa. Obama go keep people, no Selisa. This one imitation us, no Selisa. This one na fake.